Welcome to the final part of our ultimate walking tour across England. Today we reach the far north, a land of ancient history, wild coasts, and epic fortresses. Our final chapter begins at Hadrian's Wall, a monumental feat of Roman engineering that has guarded this frontier for nearly 2,000 years. Walking along these ancient stones, you can feel the weight of history in every step, as the wall follows the natural rise and fall of the crags. At Housesteads, the ruins of a once bustling fort offer a window into Roman life at the very edge of the empire. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Now, let's head to the coast. Welcome to the Northumberland coast, an area of outstanding natural beauty where medieval history meets the raw power of the North Sea. We start in the charming village of Craster, famous for its smoked kippers and its gateway to a haunting shoreline. The walk to Bamburgh Castle is one of the most atmospheric in Britain, leading toward the dramatic skeletal remains of this 14th century stronghold. Rising like a dream from the basalt cliffs is Bamburgh Castle, once the capital of the ancient kingdom of Northumbria. From Harcus Rocks, the castle stands as a golden sentinel over the tide, a sight that has captivated travelers for generations. Our journey takes us to the mystical holy island of Lindisfarne, a place cut off from the mainland twice a day by the North Sea. The Priory, founded in the 7th century, remains a place of profound peace and spiritual heritage. High above the shoreline, Lindisfarne Castle stands watch, its silhouette a symbol of the island's enduring strength. Look closely at the remote corners of the island to spot the local gray seals, the playful residents of these wild waters. In the distance, the Farne Islands are a sanctuary for thousands of puffins and other seabirds during the summer months. No tour of Northumbria is complete without visiting Alnwick Castle, the Windsor of the North, and a setting for cinematic legends. The coastal paths here are a riot of color in the spring, with wildflowers lining the route for miles on end. Walking across these vast empty sands, you can truly feel the scale and solitude of England's wildest coast. As the sun sets over Hadrian's Wall, the ancient stones glow with the memories of the empire that built them. The harbors of the north fall silent at day's end, the pulse of maritime life slowing with the setting sun. From the Roman frontier to the medieval fortresses, Northumbria is a land of legends that live in every stone. Our journey across England is complete. From the white cliffs to the rugged peaks in the wild north, we've walked the very heart of this ancient land. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Thank you for joining us on this incredible walk. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.